And welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So, at first, turn on your phone and unlock it. Now, scroll down to the control panel again and turn off your Wi-Fi. To make the Wi-Fi turned off, make it gray by tapping on it. Then turn it on back again by tapping on the Wi-Fi back again. Now it should work. But if it doesn't, go here to the app drawer, tap settings, tap connections, go into Wi-Fi and forget your network. To do that, tap on it and tap forget button. It should be over here. Then go and tap on the network and connect to your network back again. Then connect, and now you should be connected to your Wi-Fi network and it should be all good. But if it doesn't work, hold the power button in your phone. Pardon me, it's the latest version. You have to at first unlock your phone and hold the volume up button and power button at the same time until you see the power screen here. It's actually volume down. I'm mistaken it with the owner. Here tap restart and restart back again. Now your phone should be restarted and fixed. Apart from that, you can try resetting your router, so try to turn off your router meanwhile and turn it on back again. As you can see, our phone is now turning on. And that should fix the issue. Somehow router can bug and sometimes your phone can bug. It's a very common issue actually. If that didn't work for you, you have to go into the settings now. Here in the app drawer settings, scroll all the way down to the software update, tap download and install, and here if you have any updates for your software, just install it. Sometimes Samsung releases the quick fixes for your bugs, for example Wi-Fi, and you can easily fix them using just a software update. Now it should fix the issue, definitely, but still if it doesn't, you have to reset the network settings in your phone. So go here to this settings main menu and here tap general management. Now you have to scroll down a little bit to the reset and tap reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data settings. So you have to pair all devices Bluetooth that you have paired earlier back again and connect to the Wi-Fi network back again. Tap reset settings and then reset. Now your settings are resetted and that should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, you have to go to the customer service of authorized, of course, to fix your phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like under this video. It's important to us. It shows us your feedback. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!